6 large chicken breasts, skin and bone removed, grilled with saffron and Persian wild herb marinade. Recipes can be found at the end of the video.
یه دفعه نه بگو تو رو خدا اون هشتگ چی؟
Grilled chicken breasts aren't particularly spectacular, except from the fact that they're healthful and quick to prepare.
یه دفعه نه بگو تو رو خدا اون هشتگ چی؟
Two big chicken breasts with skin and bones removed. You can leave the bone in to help retain a bit more juice, but this is easier. 2 rosemary stems, 1 tablespoon oregano leaves, torn 1 tablespoon torn cilantro 4 thyme stems 1 teaspoons, red pepper flakes 1 teaspoons, sweet paprika 1-2 teaspoon cumin round 1 teaspoon saffron threads, soaked for 8 minutes in 1 tblsp. Vinegar to sherry 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil 1 teaspoon freshly ground pepper and 1 teaspoon salt.